Welcome to the Tech Egg. Don't get scrambled. Enjoy the video.
You already have the essentials. Now begin. Connect your ESP32 via USB and open the serial monitor to confirm boot messages. Once done, flash a minimal firmware exposing the interface you chose, BLE-GAT with a service and characteristic, or a simple UART over serial to Wi-Fi bridge. In Flutter, create the app scaffold and add the Bluetooth or MQTT dependency. Make sure to request platform permissions early so the device discovery step will succeed without runtime prompts interrupting flow. You now handle discovery and a reliable link. Start scanning for your ESP32 advert using the service UUID. Once discovered, connect and discover services. After discovery, subscribe to the characteristic notifications to receive data and write to the writable characteristic for commands. For Wi-Fi or MQTT, establish TCP connection and implement keepalive/ping. Use a length prefixed or CRC-backed framing so packets aren't split. This prevents corrupted reads. Always check you're finishing up. Polish the UI and embed robust reconnection behavior. Confirm that messages travel both ways under load and during sleep/wake cycles by testing edge cases and low-signal scenarios. Once stable, add user feedback for connection state and a logging toggle to collect traces. If something goes wrong, capture serial logs from the ESP32, BLE-HCI traces or packet logs, and the Flutter debug console. These combined logs will reveal mismatched UIDs, MTU issues, or malformed frames causing failures.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if I helped unscramble your problems.